Welcome to Engine Explorer, my YouTube channel. Today we are diving deep into the review of the 2026 Kenworth T2000, a truck that has redefined what long-haul trucking can truly be. This latest generation of the T2000 is not just about raw power, but also about blending aerodynamics, cutting-edge technology, and driver comfort into one complete package. The exterior design has received a major upgrade, making the 2026 T2000 one of the most aerodynamic trucks on the road. The sleek curved edges and streamlined body reduce drag significantly, giving drivers better fuel efficiency and saving costs over long distances. The bold grille, integrated LED lighting system, and refined chassis make the truck look futuristic yet distinctly Kenworth. This balance of style and function makes the T2000 a serious contender for modern trucking companies who demand both performance and efficiency. Under the hood, the 2026 T2000 comes with multiple engine options tailored for different needs. The highlight is the PACCAR MX-13 engine, offering exceptional horsepower and torque, while maintaining lower emissions thanks to advanced clean diesel technology. There is also a hybrid-assisted powertrain option that delivers even better fuel economy, catering to companies focused on sustainability. Transmission has been optimized with an automated system that ensures smooth gear shifts, making long drives easier and more efficient. Stepping inside the cabin, the improvements are immediately noticeable. The 2026 T2000 focuses heavily on driver comfort and ergonomics. The spacious interior includes premium seating with heating and cooling functions, a redesigned digital dashboard, and smart connectivity features that allow drivers to stay linked with logistics systems in real time. There's also an upgraded infotainment system with voice control, navigation, and entertainment options, turning the cab into a modern workspace and living space on the road. Kenworth has not overlooked safety either. The T2000 now comes equipped with advanced driver assist technologies such as adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, and a full 360-degree camera system for improved visibility. These features not only enhance safety, but also reduce driver fatigue, ensuring smoother and more confident journeys. For long-haul drivers, the sleeper cab is a highlight. The 2026 model offers more space, with a comfortable bed, additional storage compartments, and options for a small refrigerator and microwave. This transforms the truck into a true home away from home, ideal for those who spend weeks on the road. In conclusion, the 2026 Kenworth T2000 is more than just a truck. It's a complete driving solution that merges power, efficiency, comfort, and safety into one remarkable package. Whether you're a fleet operator looking for reliability or a driver seeking comfort and performance, the T2000